Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to our channel. Now today I'm going to share with you a really quick and easy and so tasty dry fish recipe made with lotia. This can be made in 10 minutes if you have all the preparation ready, and I got this recipe from my sister-in-law who also has a channel called Friends and Family Vlogs UK. Be sure to check her out. I hope you will try out this recipe, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video upload.